jump ball. And is respect for 8 seconds violation for Rene Batorbonio. Ayan mga idol. Pumalakpak lahat yung mga tao para dito sa 8 seconds. Ayun mga idol, for 8 seconds violation. Here comes Team De General and Tapas Del Pozo. And pass to the corner with the ball. Dribbling, posting up. Pull up jumper. Last throw, Espinosa, no. Santos the rebound. Pass to inside pass. Santos spins, fades away, won't go. Hernandez with the leather. Inside pass, Laguna, top shot, bullseye. First blood. Ian Palace cross the mid lane. Palace pass to Del Pozo. Del Pozo attacking the defense, pull up jumper, bullseye. Corner 2. Hernandez. Hernandez, the long pass, sakto yung pasa. Bullseye, easy 2. And Espinosa, yata. At the corner. Top shot, left-handed, bullseye. 4-3, in and out. Esperanza attacking the defense, the bomb, the burst layup, basket and 1. Yes, bounce pass. Ponce, bounce pass. Cross pass. Victoria, side step to the hoop, short. Palace, the crossover. Oh, sinasayaw si Hernandez. Oh! What a shot! Spectacular move! And the bounce pass. On the soup, side step, pull game, bullseye. Esperanza, sumayaw. And the pass, easy 2. Oh, a nice pass para the long pass. For Hernandez, create space, step back for 3. Oh! Bang! 3 points. Top of the key. Dancing. Bounce pass for 3. Off the mark. Rebound by Palace. The pass. Santos! Base. Yes, sir. Hernandez. Hernandez. Dancing at the floor. Sumegway picks. Great step through. Lace. Oh, that's good. Hernandez. Palace. Deep 3. Del Pozo. Bam! Home court advantage. The long pass. Sakto yung pass. Easy 2. Del Pozo. Against Ponce. Del Pozo spinning. Step back. Deep 3 again. Bam! Inside pass. Spins. Reverse layup off the window. That's good. And bounce pass. Lefty shot. Yes, sir. Esperanza. Hernandez. Hernandez. Oh! Alley-oop shot. But di pumasok mga bossing. Loriaga. Corner pass. Wild open fix. Attacks. Bump. Fires. No. Rebound para di sa De General. Sa gitna. Yo! Yilian Palace! Woo! Dito sa Ponce. Behind the back. Dancing against Ponce. Lace. Oh! Ponce with the sleazy 2. Corner pass. Fires at 3. No. Here comes Coronel. Coronel, the side step. Leo, Minegos pa. Binali sa taas. And dribbling at the top for Team Baliwag. Here comes number 6. Create space. The lace now. Nakalusot. Oh, the rebound in the putback shot. Here comes number 5. Dribbling at the top. Pacheco. Here's Coronel. Coronel drives, Mines lefty shot, yes sir! And here's Alcantara. Took to the left side. Australia sa gitna. Free throw area, that's good. 2 for the team generals. Now at the top dribbling. He goes to the screen. Lefty pass, corner pass, Coronel. Coronel lays up, bullseye. Coronel. Left wings for 3, no. Rebound. Stolen. For Team Baliwag. Estrella, long pass. Floater shot, it's good. And here you go, Team the General. Between the legs, the crossover, lumusot, lays, easy to. High pass, top. It is Coronel. Coronel all the way, Sinausaw! And there's number 6, Novillo, deep 3. Now, rebound for Team Baliwag. Sa gitna, Alcantara, the rock, friendly. 5. He stops and pass. To the wings, Coronel. Coronel high pass. Deep 3. Bang! 3 points! Almost stolen, recover. Behind the back spins. Bounce pass inside. Floater shot, it's good. For Team the Generals, now looking for the receiver. He passed for a post. Kicks out. He stopped for 3. Bang! 3 ball. And pass to the right wings. Deep 3. Bang! The answer. Also. From way downtown. Palis. Bounce pass sa gitna. Sinausaw. Easy 2. And here's Team Baliwag City. 4-3. Bang! Another triple. And naiwan yung bola. Bam! Oh, easy to. Bump and lace. Palis the long pass. Esperanza levers layup. Which good. Esperanza. Pass to the right wings. Triple shot. Bang! 3 points. And pass, Jillian Palis, bounce pass inside. Boom! Tack! And it's Del Pozo. There's a bump, fires at 3. Bang! Triple! Petalbero behind the back, chest pass. Deep 3. Bang! Lucky Palis. Pull up jumper, free throw area, it's good. Hernandez. Down bounce pass. Loriaga goes to the corner, goes inside, kicks it out for 3 Ponce. Bang! 3 points, Ponce. Hernandez at the top, the crossover. Umatras, aabante, binitbit, inside pass, the fake, apuntas off the window, bullseye. And Corposo, corner pass, Santos. Esperanza. Stop for 3. Bang! 3 points. Long pass, Ponce, fakes. Step through of the window, it's good. Del Pozo. Del Pozo steps inside, step through of the glass, bullseye. 5 at the top. Luis Hernandez, Pacheco, pass to. For the team generals, goes to the screen. Attacks, corner pass, wide open, 5, 1, 3 points. Dito sa Baliwag. Hernandez stepping the gas, kicks out. Victoria, cross pass, Ponce, corner 3, bang! Nothing but the bottom of the net. 5, bounce pass. For the generals dancing at the floor. Kicks it out. Coronel, step back 3. No. Hernandez, Rumaragasa, behind the back, no look pass. Oh! The reverse layup, it's good. And here's Tim Baliwag, Ponce between the legs. Ponce, cross pass, Hernandez for 3, bang! 3 points, Hernandez. 5 between the legs, 5, step kicks out, for 3, Pacheco, bang! 3, Pacheco. For 3, bang! 3 points. And it's Novillo. Alcantara inside pass, fires off the window, bang shot is good. And here's Alcantara to the left side, Novillo. Floater shot, it's good. And here's 5, he goes to the screen. 5, bump, stolen, Ramos, Alcantara, fakes. Ramos left, delays, no. Put back, rejected by Coronel. Another pass. Ramos is good. Novillo. Crossover na, tapikan. And the pass, 5. Easy 2. 5. Alcantara. Bounce pass inside to Ramos, off the window is good. Ramos. Pacheco to the middle. Here comes 5, attacking the defense aside the stat. The lace of the window, bang shot is good. Petalbero, straight to, and a pass kicks out. Petalbero, corner 2, yes sir. Rebound by 5. No look pass inside. Sa gitna, boom! Dinakdak ni Pacheco. And that napigan, Alcantara, pull up J, bullseye. For 3, bang! Novillo. For the inbound, kicks it out. Inside pass, Santos off the glass, yes sir. Poke away. Here comes Petalbero to the hoops, lumipad, DC2. Palis to the middle. Pull up jumper, it's good. Cabanillas. Garcia. Chest pass, open for 3, sasagot. Bang! Nothing but the bottom of the net. Here comes Team the Generals. Deep 3. Bang! Del Pozo. Garcia, inside pass, fires off the window, it's good. Esperanza tries a triple, no. 2-on-1. Lumipad, lefty shot, yes sir. Santos goes to the hoops, lays, no. Rebound, put, back shot, easy 2. Chest pass. Johnson attacking the defense. Top shot. Easy too. Top shot is good. Rebound. The long pass. Boom! Salpakan! And the pass. Pull-up jumper. Bullseye! Ang pass. Loriaga. Binit-bit sa taas. Basket is good. Dadak-dak. Oh! Dak-dak. Boom! Lumilipad! Bam! Arias. Coronel. Coronel!